Okay, I feel like trying to draw a truck. You like trucks? You have to be able to draw circles and squares if you want to draw a truck. So I'm going to draw a circle right here. And I need some more circles because that was just the front wheel. And I need some back wheels. So I'm going to draw another circle the same size right over here. And you know what? Some trucks have two of these in the back. This truck does too. Now we need some squares. I'm going to start off with a line right between those two circles. Oh yeah, and just a short line back here. Just a little line right there. Now I want to go straight up the side with that line. That's looking good. And I think I'm going to go, where am I going to go? Next line I think can go right from, I'm going to go somewhere right about here, straight up to there. And I want one more line across the top of my truck. Oh yeah. I need a line out here, just a short line right there. And I'm going to go up about halfway. Yeah, like that. And then come over here like that. And then I'm going to go up the rest of the way. And then I'm going to go over here like that. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. That is the front of the truck. And let's put a window in the truck right here. Pretty good. Boy, can you draw all that? The circles and the square and then the front of the truck. Wow. Who wants to color that? I do. Give me some colors here. Maybe blue. I'm going to take some blue and I'm going to do a blue truck right around the wheels. Need more paint on my blue brush. That's looking great. Who wants to do the front part of the truck? I think I'll do the window in blue too. Just the window. There it is. And maybe the front part of the truck could be, I don't know. Let's pick a color. Maybe some orange. And I'm going to mix some orange and some brown so it's kind of gold looking. Ooh, how's that? Oh, I like that. Let's go around the front wheel. Around the window. That's looking pretty awesome. Now, what's a good color for my tires? You know what? I'm going to mix some of that brown right in there with my blue. And it's going to make it kind of a tire color. Do the front wheels too. The wheels on the truck go round and round. Pretty cool. I think we're done. That's an awesome truck right there. And when it's all dry, you can write your name on it if you want to. You can write your name right across there if you wanted to. When it's dry. Okay, there you go. How to draw a truck.